G'day, y'all. So I'm having a little issue. Guess it was from me. I've been smoking in my apartment, and this damn, this damn smoke detector keeps beeping. And I saw the Friends episode where Phoebe was like trying to disable her her smoke alarm, and she was disassembling it and everything. She had all the wires apart. She was cutting wires and everything, but it was still beeping. And she finally threw it away. And I was like, ha ha, she's such a ditz. Ha ha. Well, now I can't figure this out. I'm a freaking technician. Okay, I'm maybe a little bit inebriated, but I'm still a technician. And I can't figure this out, man. Oh, it's beeping like crazy. And earlier, I was so frustrated with it. I walked outside, and I walked a little bit down the sidewalk, and I shoved it inside a shrub, saying, "Okay, now I'll never hear of it again." Well, apparently I didn't walk far enough because I could easily hear it still beeping from that shrub. So I went down there and I got it again. So now you're going to witness me trying to figure out how to stop this from beeping. Okay. How to stop this from beeping? Obviously it's disconnected from the power, so eventually the battery's going to wear out. Now, I've got this pencil here because I do remember something about, like, you have to press in some sort of button that's really, really small. But I don't see a button that properly works. So my idea is twist and try to take the 9-volt battery out. I know there's a 9-volt battery in here. It's got to be. I'm twisting. Okay. Wait, no. I gotta pull it out first, I bet. Pulling it out is not working, apparently. Okay. Oh, it's still beeping. Okay, there's a couple of buttons on here, so maybe I'll try that. And the buttons, I've already tried one, and I remember it beeped at me. I'm pretty sure one of these will beep at me. Okay, that's the one that beeped at me. It's called push and hold to test weekly. And this other one says hush. Okay, I pressed this before and it didn't do anything. Hush. I press the hush button. Let's see if it hushes. Maybe it worked. Maybe it worked. Oh no! Why, God? Why? Okay. Maybe I'll try to press it and hold it. I'm gonna try that. Press and hold the button. I'm pressing it and holding it. I don't know how long I should hold it for, but there we go. Beeping again. Maybe that says it's off now. Okay. I think it's enough time holding it. Let's see if it beeps again. Don't beep. Don't beep. Don't beep. I'll give it a minute. It's funny, I'm looking at my wrist. You know. Oh, God. No! Why? God, why? Okay. It says push and... I'm going to try this other one. Push and hold the button to test it weekly. Oh, why? You know what? I bet what it is that I have an old battery in here. My battery is old. So, I'm betting if I take this off. Aha! A battery! Now, if I properly dispose of yon battery, it should remain quiet. Battery is gone. If this thing is still beeping, I'm going to lose my mind. Lose my mind. Oh my God. I don't think it's going to beep anymore. I think I've solved my problem. It's probably what it is. An old battery. Yeah. Battery. I don't do it. Oh, I heard something, but it's like all distorted. Did you hear that? It's running out of juice. That's what it is. It's got like an internal battery. And it's like, I lost my power. I've lost it. No, you will not survive it. You will die. Or else I smash you into little pieces. I think I've solved my problem though. That's pretty sweet. I've found the solution to the great mystery of the smoke detector of doom. Now, if I can only find a way to close yon battery opener thing. Why doesn't it work? Don't want to break it. There's a bat. Oh, come on. Push this thing. Okay. Silence. It's golden. My friend, I've succeeded in disarming the evil frickin' smoke detector of doom. That's what it says. Oh, you hear that? Yeah, I'm trying it. It's got no juice. It's got no juice. It's got no power. Oh, bitch. It's dead. I defeated it. Okay. So that concludes this broadcast day. Please vlog responsibly, etc., etc. Peace.